Vauxhall Meriva B 1.4 petrol turbo. There's a earlier video on changing the clutch. One thing I couldn't find much of is checking and filling up the gearbox oil afterwards. Worth doing, because on this one, when the drive shafts were popped out, no fluid come out, which I thought was interesting. But the filler plug is below the drive shafts, but it was low. There's a 13mm filler plug, passenger side. It is located just up below the drive shaft, that recessed in there. It's tight and it's magnetic, so it's worth taking them out. As you can just see there, look, there's metal on that, which there will be on any gearbox, but everybody seems to like to drain them, take this plate off. You have to buy a new gasket. People put it back on and then just put the exact quantity back in, but ideally you should take the filler plug out, go to that level. The only spanner I could find to fit in there though was one of these style. That is the only one that would get up in there, because that is incredibly tight. So, and then to fill it, just one of these. Get one of these from Screwfix, like 10 quid or something, less than. And I've just put best part of probably down to here in there, and not a drop come out when I changed this clutch. So yeah, it was a bit low, so just fill it until it's dripping now, because it's dead level with the filler plug. And that's it. It's just there, that one.